Model, 2018 Renault Master Formula Edition LM35dCi 145 Energy Low Loader Luton Box Van. Body, green, Luton, box. Mileage, 161,015. Engine, 2,299 cc M9TD7 front-wheel drive 145. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts fine, runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. If he wants to drive this, you wouldn't know anything was wrong with it but will definitely need head gasket replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on